Hi and welcome everyone. We are Minatku team from Bangkit Capstone Project, excited to share our journey on developing this project. During our journey, we are assisted by two advisors who help us tackle the challenge that we have encountered. Allow me to introduce our team member, consists of 7 individuals from 3 different learning paths, ready to share our results, so let's get started. One of the most important decisions many people will ever make is what to study in college. But the research from Indonesian Career Center Network in 2017 shows that 87% of students admitted they didn't pursue a major aligned with their interests. In another survey, 90% of students said they were still unsure about what to do next after graduate. The situation is like an iceberg. People are facing it, but we don't talk much about it. Choosing the wrong major can have significant effect on students. Addressing this issue is crucial, not only for individual progress, but also an investment in a more productive and fulfilled society. In summary, resolving this problem is essential for ensuring overall well-being, career success, financial stability, and more productive society. The main issue is actually classic. They don't do enough research. But it also happened because there is not sufficient help in figuring out careers during school. This problem sticks because people don't realize how important it is for the future. So, there is a big need for a solution to better help students. We are aware of existing efforts addressing similar issues. Our goal is to fill the gaps by enhancing our apps with features like community page and mentoring to better support students in choosing the right major for their journey.
In the implementation, our machine learning use these tools and library to help us do development. First of all, we use Pandas as a library for data preprocessing, then NumPy to run a mathematical function, scikit-learn to help us for data normalization, and last, TensorFlow and Keras are used to build machine learning model architecture. This is the architecture of Minatku model using Keras and TensorFlow. It comprises a sequential neural network with multiple dense layers, activation function, dropout, and softmax output. Our model training result get 97% accuracy for training set and 100% accuracy for test set. Then we implemented the model before deployment using predefined data to test the model, and we got the following result.
In implementing cloud computing in this project, we have utilized a set of tools for our use. These tools include such as Python and Flask. We use them to build flexible and efficient RESTful API, and then Cloud Run to manage containers in a serverless manner, and then Cloud Build and GitHub enables seamless CI/CD integration for automated testing and deployment. Next, there is Cloud Storage to store image file for profile photos, and the last one is Cloud SQL to manage relational database. We start with a strong foundation using Google Cloud. The source code and GitHub is then processed through Cloud Build, after which it is deployed using Cloud Run. Our architecture also uses Cloud SQL for robust database service and Cloud Storage for secure file storage.
For building our RESTful API, we have chosen Python and Flask. Prioritizing flexibility and streamlined development, we also use some extension like Flash JSON Web Token to secure our endpoint and manage user authentication, SQL Alchemy for interacting with databases, and RESTX for easy API documentation. Ensuring a smooth development workflow, we have integrated CI/CD with Cloud Build connected to our GitHub repository. We have also implemented security strategy, including to use Secret Manager to secure our important files. And to keep our things well documented, we have using Swagger RESTX for our API documentation, and on the screen image is an example of accessing the major prediction endpoint through Swagger UI.
So for mobile development implementation, we first using Figma to create UI UX and user flow for application. And then after we create UI UX, we make the app in Android Studio using Kotlin and some library like Glide, Chaso, Retrofit, JSON, and etc. Next, we will demonstrate the app. First, we open Minatku app. This is home screen. This is the login page. This is where we log in. And then click Daftar to move to the register page. This is the register page. Here we can create a Minatku account by entering username, full name, email, and password. And for email, it must be in email format, like at gmail.com or whatever. And for password, at least 8 character. And then after you finish fill in, click masuk to register account. So the next step is to log in using your email and password. And then click masuk to log into your account. Sukses. Okay. So you will then be asked to take an assessment. Click ikut test to take the assessment. There will be a question based on APIs and machine learning models. Choose between 3 options. First is dislike, enjoy, neutral. So finish the assessment. When finished, click the finish button to send the data to the machine learning model. Now you can go home to using the button masuk ke home. And now in the home, assessment result will be visible on the home page. It will be output the top 5 best recommended measure.
There are several features on this app. First is community. This is the user post feature in Minatku. This is where the user can create a post, but the add post feature is still coming soon. Next is module feature. This is where the user can read a module. Hopefully this feature can level up user skills. User can also search for a module they want to read. Next is mentor feature. This feature is still being developed alongside the premium features. And the last is profile picture. You can see a profile detail in here. You can edit your detail, such as username, full name, birthday, location, phone number, and gender. You can also edit your profile picture from gallery or camera. If you press the button in the top left corner in profile page, it will make you log out.
For detailed documentation, including step-by-step instruction to replicate, you can access through the provided link above.
For the next 6 months, in January, the focus is to release the beta version to gather feedback. After that, we're going to dive into a comprehensive system review to address bugs and glitches. In March, we'll reach out to potential collaborators and discuss possible partnerships. April is about launching promotional activities across various channels and making necessary adjustments based on the performance metrics. Before we go live, in May we conduct one last round of testing by checking for any remaining issues or concerns. Finally, in June, it will be the time to ensure all legal and technical requirements for deployment as well as executing campaigns for the official launch. Here is the fund's allocation proportion for team salary, research, marketing and sales, development, infrastructure, and any other expenses. And here is the detailed description of the budgeting with a total of $10,000. Move on to the next topic. Minatku's target market is 16 to 24-year-old who may be experiencing major mismatch, career stagnation, and any other educational related problems. Minatku commercial value lies in targeting students, parents, and educators seeking effective career guidance solution, while the business opportunity lies in creating an online app with a machine learning-based personalized major recommendations. Minatku also brings long-term benefits such as improved educational outcomes and positive impact on the overall economy through a more skilled workforce.
That is all from us. Thank you for your attention.